This is the elevator at the Main Street parking garage in Crocker Park in Westlake, Ohio. Oh, wow. Let's go to 4. This is going to be a fun ride. And it's going to be completely dark. Here we go. Jesus Christ! Here are 4. Oh my God! This thing is worse than Main Street, or not, Union Garage. Oh my God, this thing is dark. Get a quick cat view before the store closes. Yep, definitely not gonna see him. This thing is dark. I can't even see anything. Oh my God. Jesus. Oh my God. This thing is horrible. Holy shit. Oh my God. Oh my God. Okay, we're gonna watch this close. And that's it.